Yes, be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, the way my friend initiated the discussion on this issue, it appeared that he did not want to realize the gravity of the situation in the right perspective. Full stop. He objected to the searches made of the refugees in Tamil Nadu, but he himself said that arms had been recovered from them and he was speaking against it. Full stop. I am of the view that it is basically a question of law and order which Tamil Nadu government has tried to solve in its own way, which to my mind is the correct one. Full stop. We are aware that the conditions in Sri Lanka are quite difficult and also how a state of confrontation developed between the people of Tamil origin and the Sinhalese. Full stop. I will come to that subject later on, but it is true that the situation in Sri Lanka is quite grim and about 1,50,000 people have migrated to India and are living in Tamil Nadu. Full stop. We can very well imagine the burden which has fallen on the Tamil Nadu government or government of India, but this will have to be considered that the foreigners who flew to India either due to some crisis or as a result of atrocities committed on them have some responsibility. Full stop. They should see that they do not disturb the peace and law and order of the country in which they take refuge and do not pose any challenge to the administration. Full stop. We have been observing infighting among their different factions resulting in murder of one person. Full stop. Keeping this in view, I think there was no other alternative before the Tamil Nadu government but to take stern action to maintain the law and order. Full stop. Next stanza. Action taken by it has been praised by everyone, but it in no way means that anyone in this country supports the action of the Sri Lankan government. Full stop. It is true that ever since we got independence, say since 1950, differences between the Sinhalese majority and the Tamil minority have been surfacing and there have been clashes between the two communities. Full stop. Later on in 1956, with the declaration of the Sinhalese as the official language there, we are aware how the Tamil speaking people were discriminated against. Full stop. All this resulted in riots which after 2 years assumed serious proportions resulting in heavy loss of life and property for both the communities. Full stop. Next stanza. In addition to the language issue, Tamil's grievance regarding discrimination in the matter of jobs is also genuine. Full stop. Even in areas like East and North provinces, which are predominantly Tamil areas, efforts were made to settle Sinhalese there gradually so that with the passage of time their minority may be converted into majority. Full stop. No one could have accepted such a situation. Full stop. With the same end in view, the Buddhists of other provinces who are in majority were given a special status and also given preference in the matter of education and jobs. Full stop. From this, it was felt that Tamils were being neglected in every field, full stop, over.